Hi everyone, Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ruby and today I will be making Baingan ka pakoda, which is eggplant fritters. Quick, gluten-free and a great Indian snack recipe. Let's get started. For this recipe, I have one medium-sized eggplant here. Not too big, not too small. Perfect size. I will cut this into slices when I'm ready to fry it, not before that. When I have all my preparation done, I have my batter ready, my oil is hot, that's when I cut this because they oxidize very quickly and I don't want that. So just a simple tip, whenever you're looking for making this recipe or buying an eggplant, just make sure that it's nice and firm to touch and not soft and dented or whatever. Just nice firm eggplant. The main ingredients for our batter are 1.5 cup of besan, that's gram flour, and I have 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder, hing, 1 tablespoon finely chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, which is dried fenugreek leaves, 2 green chillies, I have finely chopped it. So that's around 1 teaspoon. I'll also be adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. It lends a nice vibrant yellow color. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of baking powder. It will make our pakoda nice and crispy. Water to make a batter and oil for deep frying. Let's start with the batter. So in a bowl, we'll add the besan. We'll mix the dry ingredients first. To this, we'll add rice flour, asafoetida powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. We'll mix this together. Kasuri methi, fresh coriander leaves, chopped green chili, ginger and garlic paste, salt to taste, now we start adding the water little at a time. So the batter's consistency should be not too runny and not too thick. Just medium consistency should be fine because we don't want a very thick batter on our eggplants. We want a nice coating but not too thick. Okay, so that's just what we have to keep in mind. So with the eggplant, I'm just going to sort of slice it in medium-sized pieces. So we want our eggplants to be not too thick and not too thin. This should be perfect because we are going to deep fry and we don't want our eggplant to be raw inside. So we want it nicely cooked, firm but cooked. So we don't want it too thick and we don't want it to be floppy, so not too thin. I love making this with chai, some masala chai, and not just with chai, I love it with dal chawal too, on the side. So now everything is ready. We've sliced our eggplants, oil is ready, batter is ready, and now we just have to add in the baking powder and add in the eggplants and we're ready to fry. So evenly coating it and just a little shake so that the extra batter can drip off. So we'll cook the pakoda in batches. Make sure the oil is nice and hot, otherwise it's going to soak up a lot of oil. Nice, perfect golden brown in color. So this is very quick, takes only about 1 to 2 minutes on each side depending on how hot your oil is. So it's that quick, guys. Just take it out and we'll keep it on a plate. Can you hear this? This is a recipe not to be missed. If you like this, please let me know in the comments, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Take care till then. See ya. Bye-bye.